We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment 604. This is a south rectangle on the 6th floor in this building. So let's go on in. You can see our kitchen is here to our left as we enter, just like it is in many of the apartments here in the building. You can see the refrigerator, the dishwasher and sink. There's a microwave. There's the stove and oven. That's an electric stove. And we've got cabinets and drawers here in the kitchen. Let's go on into the main part of the apartment. You've got some nice space in the kitchen. A lot of people do put a small rack or shelf over on this wall opposite of the kitchen appliances. We're going to pass by the closet. Let's take a look at that. So you have some good hanging space in here and some nice storage here. As we go into the room, the apartments will always have the dining table and chair. There's a desk and chair, a bookshelf, a dresser, a full-size bed. You can see that air conditioner underneath the window over there. The heater is over here between the desk and the bookshelf. Let's take a look in the bathroom. That's over behind us over here. You can see, turned around, that's where the kitchen is. The bathroom is the same in all the apartments. You'll have that standing tub shower, the vanity, and there's the toilet, and there's a small chest on the wall, cabinet on the wall. All right, let's go see the rest of the room, and we want to see out the window. So like I said, we are on the south side of the building. So this is the brighter side of the building. We are away from Dryden Road, we're away from the street, and we're on the top floor of this 6th floor building. There is an elevator in the building, of course, and we can see over the building next door, and we can see beautiful valley views and hill views to our south. And again, it's nice and bright back here on the south side of the building. We're also away from Dryden Road, away from the street. Collegetown Center is located at 151 Dryden Road. We're at the center of Collegetown here, and we're just one block to campus. And this is apartment 604, a south rectangle.